Hi, this is Mary Moses, and I wanted to show you all what we are making today. It's pine needle tea. If you read one of my posts about the narcissistic pine tree, pine trees are pretty caustic to all other nature and bushes and trees around it because it's so acidic. But one thing people don't know about pine needles in particular is that you can cut them up and steep them in hot water and make a tea out of them because it has a high amount of vitamin C, and it's a natural expectorant. An expectorant is what helps you get the phlegm out of your lungs if you're coughing, and so it's a natural alternative to conventional medicine. You simply just put a little honey in there, and after you're done steeping it, I put it in a coffee strainer. What do you call this?
French press.
A French press. I put it in a French press, and then I boil it for 10 minutes, put it in a French press, let it steep for 7 minutes, and then I put it in here with honey, and you can add lemon and lime to taste. Enjoy. Bye.